This question is from GATE 2015, Mechanical Engineering paper, set 3, question number 20. A drill is positioned at point P. It has to move to point Q. The coordinates of point Q in the incremental system of defining position of a point in CNC part program will be. Now we need to use the incremental system of defining position. So point P is where the drill is positioned. Therefore, motion will start at point P and therefore P will be considered as the new origin. So if P is considered as the origin, what are the coordinates of point Q with respect to P? We can write x coordinate is given as this total minus 3 because P is now at 0, 0, the new coordinate system. So 7 minus 3, which is 4, and y coordinate will be given by 12 minus 5, that is 7. Coordinates of point Q will be 4, 7, and this is with respect to origin P. This is not with respect to the given origin at 0, 0, but this is with respect to P, now where the origin is being shifted because we are using the incremental system of defining the positions. Let's go back and fill in the answer. We are given options, so option D is the correct one, 4, 7. To learn more about CNC machines and interpolation, you can refer to the NPTEL video, Lecture 37, CNC Machines and Interpolation from the course Automation in Manufacturing. This course is by Dr. Sri Krishna Joshi. He is from Mechanical Engineering Department, IIT Guwahati. I hope the solution will help you clear your doubt. Thank you.